Alright, ladies and gentlemen, before we get this video started, I just wanted to make a quick little announcement that I'm running a golden ticket style t-shirt contest. I'm going to be selling Curse Forever stickers in orange because I have an abundance of orange vinyl at $3 a piece. They're normally $5. Once we have sold 50, I will make the amount sold -1 in orange, and I'm going to make one Curse Forever sticker in gold. Whoever is lucky enough to receive the golden Curse Forever sticker will win a free t-shirt from our Spreadshirt store of your choice. You can get the Steezy t-shirt, you can get a Curse Forever t-shirt, you can get a Ross's Sexy t-shirt if you wanted. So the link is in the description. Order the one that says Curse Forever Orange. The picture for it says win a t-shirt. And once we sell at least 50 of those, contest will be put in action. So go ahead and order those, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, by now you have seen the Las Vegas videos, and we hope you enjoyed them, but it's time to get down to what you all wanted to see. So we got Justin, and we got Ross.
You can find me in the club, a bottle full of bub. Mama, I got the X if you're into taking drugs.
And we are swapping back to the DSM brown top injectors because this unit has arrived. So this is a PO6 non-VTEC ECU OBD1.
POS?
OBD1. This is the chip socket that was installed, and this is a mapped chip for this ECU. And the flash happened to come off a CB7 Accord running a 14B turbo. So that ought to fucking work with similar sized injectors. So it should run and it should drive by the end of this video. Where's some wood to knock up? This is painted wood.
After we hear the turbo.
What?
So after we hear the turbo, we'll find some wood.
True. Oh. I see what you're saying. But we've already heard it.
You're not supposed to tell them that.
I posted a video of it.
Oh yeah, you already did.
You got a wrench with a 10mm?
Hell no.
Please?
A wrench with a 10mm? Don't touch that.
Oh no, the reason why I need it for this one, I can't reclaim it with this.
No, yeah, remember we have to fucking... Oh, with the ratcheting one. Here's a non-ratcheting one.
Well, I was really hoping
What the fuck, dude?
I'm trying to fix the
Just,
creases.
no,
I'm
just
trying to fix the creases.
Stop trying to fix shit, because you're just going to make it worse.
She don't.
That hurts.
I really need the wrench, the ratchet.
You were burning. I can smell that it was burning.
It was like a second.
You were burning.
It was like
I
a
need the
second.
ratchet.
Just don't.
You don't even got a good nose, man.
Where'd that wrench go? Why is it always a 10mm? Son of a bitch.
Did you get your 10mm from Rob Dom? He sent them to everybody for Christmas.
He didn't actually.
I got mine.
You didn't though.
Damn.
Man, you didn't even watch his channel.
What?
Fucking lesbian.
What'd you call me?
A fucking lesbian.
Hey, me and lesbians got one thing in common.
We
both like girls.
Things in common.
And
You
pussy.
don't shave your armpits.
We don't shave my armpits? I don't shave my armpits.
Lesbians,
Tender, dude. That shit hurts.
it's tender like
Why do you
sirloin.
know that?
You never tried it?
No.
It hurts. I'm serious.
There you have it, guys. Ross shaves his
2016,
arm.
bro.
What the fuck? They just like keep taking turns driving the Land Cruiser around.
Dude, it's a fucking great time.
Well,
So
Such a nice day. I think I might go take the Land Cruiser for a trip around the block.
you don't use the Land Cruiser? Alright, I'm gonna use it right quick. I need to get away from my kids.
yeah, fuck the kids. Fuck our feelings.
One of them had a BYU shirt on.
Oh, we still have to fucking get a vacuum tee to run the boost
Oh, we could
gauge.
drive this over there to get it.
They don't have one that'll work at O'Reilly.
Yeah, they do. It's just monstrosity.
No, we're not running that thing because it'll fucking keep taking off.
What will be coming off?
We gotta like go to AutoZone or Napa or some shit.
Oh, not our favorite store, O'Budley's.
Oh, what?
I want this lead.
Dude, if Katie's at work, maybe we can still get a discount.
But they still don't have one that'll work at O'Reilly.
Yeah.
Oh, they had two like that.
No, like not at all.
No, they don't have one.
Yeah, like period. Blood.
Oh God.
There's still quite a bit of ABS over here if you want to play with that. Victrix!
Victrix! Woo! That one. Oh, it's fine. What?
That was a horrendously offensive Mexican accent, Justin. What do you have to say for yourself?
That was a Mexican accent?
Build the wall. Build the wall.
Oh my god. Alright.
Yeah, let's just piss off half our viewers.
God.
Smells like gasolina.
Dude, what the fuck?
I'm making a recovery, alright? I'm fucking
Hey,
appealing.
You should hold on to these injectors
We needed
for
to get
absolutely
to the-
no reason whatsoever.
Hell yeah, I should, Ross. You're right. I like the noise it makes when you pull it out. It's like boom.
Boom.
That one didn't do very good.
No.
Oh, fucking fuel line. See if you need to lube those up to get them in the rail again.
I do. They all got dry.
Ooh, nice. That was pretty musical. Dude, I need to fix the fucking gay ass camber on the Rabbit so it doesn't destroy those tires in 3,000 miles again. It definitely was the camber and not the constant burnouts.
Yeah, dude.
You guys, I go through Rabbit tires pretty fucking quickly, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna fix the camber because it's pretty bad right now. As steezy as that shit looks with the camber, yeah, we'll just go without it. Speaking of steezy, hold on, I'm gonna give the camera to Justin. Get your steezy shirts at shop.spreadshirt.com/curseforever. Wore this to the subscriber meet. It was pretty badass. We don't have any of the Ross's sexy hats that Brendan got because he got that made at Lids. But yeah, you can get these shirts though. $20. It's pretty fucking worth it, trust me. 100% cotton. So fucking comfortable.
How comfortable is it?
It's so fucking comfortable. I slept in it 4 nights in a row.
Woo! How comfortable is it? So fucking.
So fucking.
Another angle of Ross. And then we're gonna do a sick pan shot.
And almost touch the lens. Wow, wow, wow. Hey Ross.
Bird up.
What? Dude, I got new kicks.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are they Superfly?
Oh, dude.
I could not tell. Let's go check these out.
Got these at my second home.
Did you use your credit card?
No.
Shortly
Credit
after you
card's
pay it off?
maxed out.
Did you get actually paid yet though?
Nope.
Anything?
From my workers' comp?
No.
Oh yeah, I did. It was like $300 short of what it should have been.
Oh.
So that's exciting.
But did you get a paycheck from work yet?
Yeah, no, like from work it was $300 short.
No, but oh,
And then from workers' comp,
you haven't got anything yet?
they won't even answer my phone calls. They won't return any of my messages either.
Well, give them a nice shout out with your middle finger.
Fuck
There's a
you,
shout out.
Claudine, if you're watching this shit.
Alright, Ross, how's it coming?
Call me if you haven't been compensated yet. Call you 3 fucking times a day.
What a Alright, I might take that part out. Let it out. This is beautiful. So damn beautiful. Yeah, that was nice. They go on the rail alright?
I think
With a little bit of lube, anything's possible.
I should have put it into the rail first.
Everything's
Yeah,
a
probably.
dildo if you're spraying, huh?
Sprave.
If you're spraying.
Oh my god.
I think if I just zip it down with the nuts.
Remember all that happened last time we tried that?
On what?
A bunch of fuel shot out of the injector. I guess the O-ring was bad.
That was the O-ring, but that was also.
Yo, mom is an O-ring.
Ooh!
Okay.
Do you know what I'm excited about? Thus far, there hasn't been a giant smoke show with the turbo running.
Smuck. What are you talking about, dude? We vape.
Oh, bird up. Alright, so Honda going hard once again, and the stud for the fuel rail snapped when Ross was tightening it down. So,
maybe we shouldn't have swapped out the stock injectors back then. Maybe we should have
fuck, for real, dude. So, Justin is going to grab his battery real quick because the Honda's battery is dead.
Better than a door.
Because we started it multiple times to hear the turbo spool because we're children. And, so now Justin dropped something. What'd you do?
Come look at this bullshit.
Oh my god. Did you just lose my 8mm too?
No, I see it.
Am I gonna have to do all the work on your truck again?
No, I can do it.
Where it be at? Oh my god. Just get your hand in there now at this point. Don't even try and use the stick. That's fucking unbelievable.
God damn it. It's so far. I hate this thing.
Why don't you join the army or something about it?
Oh no. I thought I was gonna lose my legs.
Who's this?
Then I'd go into the army as Lieutenant Dan.
Oh my.
Yeah, move.
That battery's legend, dude. Bird up.
Thing is so dirty, bro.
You're dirty.
Ooh! That makes me think we should.
I don't want to hang out together anymore. You're mean.
God, why are you always playing with the dab torch?
Dab.
Do a dab. Woo! So we got the PT3 ECU out, and we're about to put the PO6 in, or as I'm calling it, the make shit go box. Sorry, work. And Alex, we love you, buddy, for helping us out with the ECU, but he lost the cover. So, what kind of ghetto bill would this be if there wasn't electrical tape holding a cardboard cover onto the ECU, right? True.
That makes sense.
Just so shit
You don't
doesn't
even know if it's
get
gonna
in.
work. That's the beauty of it.
Hopefully,
Yeah,
because it came from a car with essentially the same setup, just slightly larger injectors. Hopefully she'll be Gucci. So now we just need to plug it in.
I don't know what goes into what.
Just start plugging shit in.
Which is the top and which is the bottom?
It depends on
fine,
who
huh?
you want to be.
All I know is the little one plugs into the little spot.
Thanks. The other two are the same size, I think. No, they're a little
No,
different.
one's a little different.
I think I know which way it goes.
Ross plugging the ECU in, the make shit work box. Here we go, guys.
Are all bowling balls the same size?
Yeah,
Different weights?
yeah. We're over here talking about ECUs, and you're just gonna walk up and talk about bowling balls.
Okay, there's two right there, two right there, one right there, 2, 3.
I like bowling.
There's 7 bowling balls in the garage. Okay.
A lot of my family likes bowling. All right, Ross, is that ECU hooked up?
Yep.
Is everything else hooked up, pretty much?
Oh, we're getting there.
Justin's pretty giddy. Guys, as long as it fucking starts and will idle okay, we can drive it. We can drive the fucking Honda, Ross.
I'm excited.
Burn up.
It's been so many fucking months, dude. I am ready. Please just let this fucking tune work.
Okay, hold on a second.
Alright, we're ghetto jumping this. God, Ross, every time.
Hold on. I want to make sure. Alright? We're going to bleed the system, correct?
Yeah. We're gonna believe the system?
Oh wow, it's empty.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, we got leakage. Alright. Hold on.
Alright, guys, we're gonna turn the key.
Not yet.
Soon.
Where's it leaking?
No, I was just leaking out the top. I overfilled.
Oh, okay. Alright, we Gucci fam?
Alright, go for it.
It came back up. Holy shit, dude.
Why are we stopping?
God, dude, it blew your hair back. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, guys.
Dude, I got goosebumps and shit. That sounds so fucking good. Oh my god.
You'll see some subframe. He put it up on that. I'm gonna finish clearing all this crap off.
Is this the one from the Honda?
No. It's from the Subaru, I think. Or actually, it might be from our CRV in Texas.
To lower it, do you have to
Screw it, yep.
Yay!
Yeah, that's why I bought a hydraulic jack. And then fucking Brennan left it at Erica's house. Here, put a screwdriver in the hole on the breaker bar. Then you can just spin the screwdriver. Alright, Justin put in some work. And the Honda is on the ground for the first time in probably 4 months.
I'm surprised the tires are still holding air. Key.
Man.
Thanks, sir.
So, battery's still dead, so we gotta push it out of the garage, and then we're gonna jump start and let it idle, let the battery charge, and then we'll go for a drive. I would love to help you push, but I gotta film it.
Wow, this is retarded. This does it too.
What? No, just put the shift lock, put the key in the shift lock out.
Well, I still need to, because the steering wheel will lock, won't it?
Yeah, but you can put the key back in after
Your wheels are straight.
There you go.
No.
Oh, here goes for the first ride.
Yay.
Yeah, Justin. Get that pre-army workout in there. Whoa, a garage floor.
Woo! Woo! Turbo Honda, I'm so excited.
Dude.
Yeah, let's start this bitch up, dude. Yeah. Let's do this. Where'd you put the fucking jumper cables?
They're on the, they're on the end of it.
get out of it this way.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, you want me to start it?
Get
Sure.
This. Get this. Negative. Positive. Alright. Start that bitch up.
Oh, you want to open the radiator cap?
Yeah. It just pulls up, pull up. Yeah, there you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Oh. We need to tighten that more. Alright, go. Smells like a lawnmower.
What?
Sounds like a lawnmower.
What?
It is a lawnmower. Ross, it's running. Still. Kinda.
My foot's on the gas.
You can probably take it off, see if it'll idle. No, put it back on. All right.
I can't remember.
So she's idled. There's a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust manifold, but it's the gasket sealer we used burning off. All right, Ross is messing with the idle just a little bit. It's running on its own for the first time now. Entirely. No? Again. Who needs a front transmission or engine down, dude? Nobody. Let's go drive it.
Oh, you son of a bitch!
Wow. Yeah, but we're gonna listen to the best music there is, dude.
Where's the boost gauge?
All right,
There's no boost gauge.
We're going. We're going.
First ride?
First ride.
Holy shit! Dude, it's faster in reverse than it was forward before.
Pretty much. Oh my god. What are we?
Get some gas. Ooh, we're pissing something.
Power steering fluid. You wanna know how I know? Holy shit! Hold on, I'm gonna put it in first. Hell yeah! Come on, keep running, keep running. Keep running, it's still going.
Dude, it was spitting smoke when it started to go into boost.
Oh,
Dude.
Your check engine light just came on.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there's no sensor hooked in.
Oh, look at the blinker light, that's nice. Oh, come on!
Yeah, I don't know why you stopped. There's no cars. You're in park.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm not, I'm in drive. First gear anyway. Look at all the smoke. These people are gonna be like, what the fuck is that? Should I just put it in drive and see what happens?
Just do it. Just keep your foot on it.
It doesn't wanna.
It's misfiring pretty bad. Or was.
I like the sounds it's making. Oh, come on, don't do this, don't do this. There we go. We'll just stay in first and second gear, that's fine.
Oh man, it smells great. Where's it coming from?
Yeah, I think that's the shit coming off the exhaust manifold.
That smells so good.
Wait. Oh, come on.
Did you want it to flutter?
Yeah. Dude,
It smells burnt.
this is underwhelming as fuck, but I'm still as excited as a fucking schoolgirl.
Oh yeah.
Should we get it? That smells like plastic.
Yeah, it does.
It could be ABS.
I hope so. Otherwise, it's something bad.
Is that matted?
That's fucking going pretty hard on it. It's not going anywhere.
What? Why isn't it going in the boot? Oh, could be bad fuel.
Could be. Should we go to O'Reilly?
Oh god.
The fuel maps are a little wonky, but we're driving. We're in first gear and we're taking it to O'Reilly. Come on, keep going. Oh, you bastard.
Neutral drop.
She lives. All right.
For now.
It's just not getting enough fuel, I think.
we kind of boosted our way to our favorite place. And still a lot of smoke coming from the manifold. I'm still convinced it's the sealer.
I think it could be some oil that might be leaking out.
There's a little tiny bit coming. We fixed most of the oil leak. Ross managed to tighten it more. But the ABS, oh shit, that scared me. The fan turned on. The ABS isn't hot anywhere. Oh, put your hand in there.
No.
That exhaust side of the turbo is pretty damn warm. ABS feels a little sticky, but it's holding its shape.
That's good enough.
It's not smoking. The ABS pipe isn't smoking. The car certainly is. Let's go get some octane booster.
Could we need to advance the time? Be leaking down a little bit.
Oh, that could be it. Yeah.
Landing on something? Steering in there at all anymore?
No, I don't think so.
No, yeah, dude. We pissed like 90% of it out in my driveway. It's alright though, because we made it to the place we needed to be most. Alright guys, it's Destiny. The cheapest octane booster at O'Reilly says turbo right the fuck on it. So we're just gonna pop some in the Honda and it should run perfect.
I'm sure. We're gonna go put any more gas in it?
Oh hell no.
Should. Probably, but we won't. Are you gonna still run like 85? Are we gonna dump the whole bottle?
Well, I'll run 91 when I have to put gas in it. If it makes it that far. I think I popped this. Did it open? No.
No, you opened the trunk.
I did both of them.
It opened.
There we go. Boost that octane, Ross.
You just gotta shove it in there.
Ooh, skills. Yeah, I got skills. What are you gonna do about it?
Drink up.
You should have gotten NOS. Like the energy drink.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. That makes cars run so good.
We're supposed to do this with like a full tank?
Probably.
Then we'll be running like 112 then. It's fine.
Like an eighth of a tank.
It's like, yeah, there's like half. Alright, let's mix it up a little bit. Yeah, mix up that octane booster.
Oh yeah. Alright, we good.
Alright, I think we got it.
We got enough in there. Let's get this bitch on the road.
Alright. I'm gonna give the camera back to you, Ross.
Let's go do some pulls on the freeway.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Yo, you want to do like a 20 to 30 pull?
This is not all I can do.
In the turbo right here? Yeah. It
Sure is.
Oh.
Good start, good start. Oh god, it sounds so mean.
Sounds good. It's all bark, no bite. All bark, no bite.
Like Spike?
Yeah.
Oh damn, it's so much faster now.
Dude, it is.
Woo.
It's hauling ass.
So, why'd you guys take the boost gauge out?
We never put it in. I don't have a vacuum tee.
I thought you said you put it in and we're doing like one.
Oh yeah, we used a tee from the Rabbit.
Do a pull.
It shifted and didn't die.
Yeah. Just don't even stop. Just keep going.
Can you get on the? Can you
Should
get
we
on
take
Eagle
it the
Road?
back way?
Yeah.
Waiting for it.
It kind of accepted a little bit.
It feels like it's tugging a little bit.
A little bit.
Dude, you know, we need to go find that bridge that Brennan did his.
I thought that was smoke from the
Exhaust
engine.
backfires.
I did too. Yeah.
A-hole over here.
Fucking vape douche back here. Euro douching it up.
need
This
to
is
take-
a Honda.
we need to-
GTFA.
What are you looking at me for? It's all freaking Justin.
Don't even
This
stop,
guy's
dude.
gonna shoot us. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Boost noise, boost noise.
What the fuck?
It kind of pulls a little
Oh,
bit.
golf cart. We should turbo it.
Look, Mormons.
Where?
Over there on bikes.
Oh. Oh, that no flow life.
He was plugging his.
Yeah, he's like, that's too loud. That's
Like, oh shit!
to be honest, it's really not that loud.
No, it isn't.
quieter than the Rabbit.
Yeah.
Right side line.
Apex Life.
15 miles an hour.
least we know the PCV valve works.
Yeah, that's one way to test it.
Oh, yeah! What did it want to do? Did it knock?
No, that was the clutch spinning though, I think. That wasn't putting any of that down.
It was like, hell no.
It's like, you retarded.
Oh god, I couldn't do
Put it in neutral, put it in neutral. Neutral, drop it.
Ah!
You can start it in neutral.
The battery's dead. The lights are on. Turn the lights off.
She looks so disgusted. I was like, oh my god. What the fuck happened? What is that piece of shit?
We limping it. But that knocking noise when
That doesn't sound like the engine. It sounds like
do it.
do it.
Fucking do it.
You do it.
No,
I'll do it.
Just Braden, you do it. It burns a little bit, but you gotta breathe it in. It gets good flavor.
Dripping that Hobo Joe's
You're not even doing it.
on that 1G DSM RDA.
It smells good. We should put this on. The thing,
let's
so
put
that
Let's fill it with that instead of oil.
Hell yeah.
That'll be
Oh.
super affordable.
That'll last for a little 1 minute.
All right. So the Honda made it home. Just barely. But it made it.
Out of oil. No
So
wastegate
yeah,
actuator.
there's absolutely no oil. The wastegate actuator came off, or
It shot a flame.
yeah, it shot fire when I revved it up and backfired.
One flame.
But
it was probably doing it a little bit before.
the wastegate actuator, fucking
arm.
yeah, I mean it actuates the actuator.
Should we just weld it closed?
The wastegate?
Genius.
Retarded.
Absolutely.
Unbelievable. So
When does it stop building boost?
never.
Why do you need it to stop?
So we're gonna call it a day, and we're gonna come back at this tomorrow full force.
Damn it.
What? Hell no.
Oil.
We're gonna let it relax for a little bit, but we can go get oil. So another day, another dollar. We'll see what we can do tomorrow.
Thank you guys for watching this video. This video's car of the video goes to Corey Martin and his Nissan 300ZX. Sweet car, man. Follow us on Instagram at BigB1011. Be sure to give us a like on Facebook at B Carlson Autos. Follow. If you have any questions or submit car of the videos, go to chrisforeverhelp@gmail.com.